Now, so this is the second part of the video where we explain the admin part. Now over here, as you have shown, the chart should look like along with the annotations. All these aspects are done except this part where it shows the count over here. That is not feasible with the present script. So what we have done the same this numerics that you have shown over here on a tooltip. As you can see, tooltip on a tooltip on a tooltip on a tooltip. So you have done that. Now over here, as you requested for a start date and end date, the process would be select a date. For example, last month, where we know there is data, we select this. Then we select a from and to date, and we know there is data till 22nd. Then you have to press the generate chart. The moment you generate chart, the page will refresh and show data for this 4 days. As you can see, 22, 8, 18, 8. As you can see, total 932, and this data is showing because there are multiple overage data that we have already addressed and we have corrected that. 857 happy. Let's see. 857 happy at reception. At the airport, we have 274 happy. Yes, that we have. At sales, we have 264 happy. Oh, 264 happy. So the data is showing for the last 7 days. Sorry, the collection of data is for this date range, but by default, it will always show data for for 7 days. So whenever you do not select any date range over here, and over here, if there is no date range is selected, the default data view will fit for the last 7 days. So once you select the to date and the from date, and then you have to click the generate chart button to populate the data, and then you can generate the report. Okay, that is one. Number two is regarding total data entries we related to multiple entries. This was at the data level. This was at the API level. We have corrected this issue, and you can check it from your end also. There will not be any duplicate or duplicate multiple entries that we have addressed and corrected. Now the second part, add new selection on a department question list. Company are to create a set of questions regarding the overall experience of the company. Now the moment we go to companies, that is questions, to add question, the same process as earlier. Give it a moment, please. In add questions part, just click on add questions. As you can see, there is airport. Then there is another drop down list, which is a drop down list item, which is company. The moment you select company, you insert the questions and you publish it and save it, it will be shown in the company section in the app. That is one. Then rest, the database data chart should be open, start date, end date in order to satisfy the management needs to check the report date. We have shown that already to you. We realize that the review type shown in data chart, this is already done in the data chart. I'll show you again on the dashboard. The three aspect items are as follows, which is happy, fair, unhappy. So that is shown, and the grid is also shown over here. The to date and the from date, then generate chart. By default, it will be 7 days view, but the moment you have to date and from date and to date and generate chart, it will be for the data of the chart will be for that selected dates, and the data over here also will be shown for those selected dates. The dates that you selected here in these two to date and from date, that data will be shown here. That is all part of it. And let's see any other aspect. Rest all is done. The wrapping of text also is done. The new report looks like this. Let me show you. Give it a moment. If we enlarge it a little bit, As you can see, we have wrapped the text. We have wrapped the text. A certain width is given, and we have wrapped the text throughout. Whatever they have given comments, the text is wrapped. As you can see, the text is wrapped. The text is wrapped. The text is wrapped. Everything is wrapped. So we have addressed all your concern and queries, and we are updating the status and sending this video to you for your review and comments. Thank you, sir.